Hello, good afternoon, and welcome to our today class. This is Project and Contract Management, and I'll be your facilitator, Mr. Sakwa. Today, I'm going to take you through Project and Contract Management, and that is, you're going to discuss on the introduction part of Project Management, whereby I believe on the introduction part, we're just going to see various things that we'll be able to tackle in this session. First one is introduction part of it. We have the project characteristics of a good project manager, reasons why projects go wrong, project life cycle, and vision exercise. So, what is a project? What is a project? And you can say that a project is a unique process consisting of a set of coordinated and controlled activities with start and finish dates, undertaken to achieve an objective conforming to specific requirements, including constraints of time, costs, quality, and resources. As whenever you learn what you call network program, that is in your unit, that is qualitative methods, you can be able to consider and understand some activities, coordination of activities, times, and, for example, as well as constraints. Another definition you can say a project is an interrelated set of activities that has a definite starting and ending point and results in the accomplishment of a unique, often major outcome. The other definition can say a group of milestones or phases, activities, or tasks that support an effort to accomplish something. And a project can also be defined as a sequence of activity that has a definite start and finish time, start and finish, an identifiable goal, and an integrated system of complex but interdependent relationships. So those are some of the definition of project, whereby other particular definition you can say it's an art of organizing, leading, reporting, and completing a project through people. Rather, it's the application of management principle in projects. The project management is the planning and controlling of events that together comprise the project. Together comprise the project. So, if I may ask, have discussed what is a project, and the other thing we are going to consider, that is characteristics of a project. Characteristics of a project, and before we move to characteristics of a project, we are going to consider the objectives of a project. The first one is to handle prospective effectively an organization, to define project and agree with customers, to plan and assess resources needs for the project, to estimate project cost and make proposals, to plan and schedule activities in a project, as well as to allocate resources at the right time. And the other thing is to assess risks and failure points and make backup plans, or to come up with control mechanism and measures to be able to sort out the problem. So what are some of the characteristics of a project, or what are some of the characteristics of a good project? The first one, we can say it has intended objective to accomplish. It is done so that it can be able to meet a certain goal or to accomplish a certain objective. The other thing has a life cycle whereby it is sequential, and it has a conception stage as well as the completion stage. In between, you have implementation stage that makes it or see through the completion stage. The other thing, you have definite time limit, has a start time date and end date. And therefore, the other thing is all projects are unique in nature. And therefore, the other thing is have teamwork. Projects require experts from different areas to work together or to be integrated together so that to accomplish a goal. The other thing, we have complexity. A project is a complex set of thousands of varieties, whereby in terms of technology, of equipment and materials, machinery and people, work culture and ethics. The other thing, subcontracting. Some of the activities may be entrusted to subcontractors to reduce the complexity of the project. The other thing is the risk and uncertainty as well as customer specific nature. Continuation can talk about forecasting. We have to forecast our project so that we see the future part of it and to be able to determine on that is ROI, return on investment, whereby forecasting the demand for any product, service that the project is going to produce in an important aspect. The other thing is change based on dynamic changes in the environment, whereby changes occur throughout the lifespan of a project as a natural outcome of many environmental factors. And therefore we have optimality. A project is always aimed to optimum utilization of resources for the overall development of an organization economy, and therefore control mechanism, whereby all projects will have pre-designed control mechanism in order to ensure completion of project within the time schedule, within estimated costs. Therefore, other characteristics of a good project manager. Characteristics of a good project manager. Previously we have discussed the characteristics of a good project. So when you come to the characteristics of a good project manager, the first one can see planning and organization skill. A good project manager should have the planning skills, as well as the organization skills. Also have personnel management skills to enhance teamwork. The other thing, should have good communication skills so that to enhance communication among different integrated teams, so as to ensure efficient and effective operation of work. We have change orientation, as well as ability to solve problems in their totality, whereby should have the skill to make decisions as in relation to problem solving skills. Then you have high energy, whereby the level of output should be high, whereby level to work under high pressure, as well as to solve issues. Therefore, ambition for achievements. A good project manager should always aim to achieve whatever thing they have assigned to do. Whatever thing they have been assigned to do. So those are some of the characteristics of a good project. Some of the characteristics of a good project. Therefore, we have also ability to make suggestions, understand the views of the project team's members, ability to develop alternative actions quickly, as well as knowledge of project management methods and tools, so that to integrate, that is technical skills, be able to know which materials should be used, which methods should be used in carrying out a certain project and at what time. Therefore, ability to make self-evaluation, whereby to do expedition of the whole process of the project, and therefore effective time management. A good project manager should be a time manager, so as to ensure that a project should be done and should be worked upon within the speculated time. Therefore, capacity to relate current events of the project and ability to handle project management software tools as well as packages. So I believe as for today, we are going to do, that is what we had to discuss, and whenever we come next time, we'll be able now to see or to discuss the responsibility of a project manager. What are some of the responsibilities of a project manager, and what is the role of a project manager in any project? So thank you and have a good day.